Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about harrow and roller pre-season maintenance. So both tools are pretty basic. You can go through and do a visual, check for broken tines, check for broken pipes. The main thing you want to do is jack up your wheels, check your wheel bearings, make sure that they're running smoothly and then that they're not loose. Most of you know how to run a jack and how to adjust a Timken bearing, so we won't get into that. Main thing on harrows is have a look at your hinge points. That's where the bulk of your wear happens. Make sure that the bolts are in there that hold the pins, or if there's a welded head and a hairpin system, check that, and then make sure that the grease nipples are good in those and that everything takes grease. Those things need massive amounts of grease. They should be greased every day. It will help to extend the life of that stuff because there's a massive amount of movement goes on as you're going down the field. So there's normally 2 or 3 grease nipples on those things, usually 2 for each pin. Have a look at that. If they're plugged, take them out, clean them out, put them back in. Make sure they take grease and give them lots of grease, and give them lots of grease every day. On a roller, the same thing, but we're looking for the same thing. We're looking for cracks. We're looking for grease nipples that take grease. Jack the wheels up, have a look, at your bearings again, and then just look at your tires. Easier to replace something in the yard than it is when you're out on the highway or somewhere far away from home. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.